Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the craziest and most epic road moments ever caught on driver's dashcam, and we'll start today's episode off with a scary close call in which one driver was way too careless while making a U-turn. Amazon delivery guy was in such a hurry that he even forgot to close his door. Luckily, the packages didn't fall out. Well, at least not yet.
Leslie Purcell and her husband Trevor were among 15 sub-postmasters this happened to. They had £10,000 taken. The post office eventually backed down, but Leslie, who ran Chiswick Green Post Office, says she felt betrayed. They were trying to make us.
In this video, we have a rather confused U-Haul truck driver because he had no idea where he was moving. Check this one out.
DashCam is different. They are one of the largest marshal networks. They can help people with any type of credit, up to $5,000.
I'm sure there's a lot of paperwork.
My brother said it was fast and easy. He did it right from his phone.
If you have a regular source of income, you can be approved for a loan.
In this video, we have a driver who was in a straight-only lane, but regardless of that, he cut across the road and nearly caused an accident.
In a quarter mile, use the left two lanes to turn left onto Valley Boulevard.
Turn right on Valley Boulevard. Turn right on Valley Boulevard.
Driver that was behind the camera thinks that if he has a brand new car, it gives him some sort of special rights and he can overtake as he pleases. This was way too dangerous. This biker was riding around trying to enjoy his time on a bike, and all of a sudden he came across some blades of grass on the road. This can be really dangerous and one small slip up can easily lead to a crash. And moments later you'll see what I'm talking about. It would appear that the two drivers got into an accident prior to this and they pulled over to check for the damages on the vehicle. As they both got out of the car, they had something to say each other and a mini road rage unfolded.
Saturday. Oh my God! Stop! Stop! Oh my God!
Stop!
The heck? Was that my fault or theirs?
Their fault. They turned right in front of you.
Better accelerate.
No, he's going slow on purpose. Accelerating.
Yeah, that's alright.
Do you want to put that on the camera or not particularly?
Yeah.
10:15.
The driver in front of the camera was not paying attention while making a turn, and because of that, he almost hit a pedestrian who suddenly stopped in her tracks.
Oh man. Speed limit is that's 25. Love it.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Cohen DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe picking up a thing or two on how to properly behave in traffic. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. And if you truly like what you see, make sure to leave a like because that would help us out a lot. Oh, and while you're at it, please subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe, guys.